I'm Dan Ray, Project Manager with ICI. We are currently standing on the north side of the future Daniel L. Goodwin Hall of Business at Benedictine University in Ohio. Eventually there will be over 20 state-of-the-art classrooms, a training lab, and a 600-seat auditorium in this building. As you can see, we had a very large building footprint and over 1,000 trucks of dirt came in and out of this hole. We are currently in the middle of a concrete pour. We have 17 different pours for this building. Each pour is approximately 50 yards of concrete, so at the end of the day there's about 1,000 yards just in the foundation walls here. Eventually at the end of the day we'll have 4 stories of steel sitting on top of these walls. We look forward to updating you during this process.